That is incredible. Who owns this? Oh, it seems to be subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. We've got a little project today. We're going to try and get as many subscribers on my YouTube channel as we can today. We're going to try and use the loopholes of lockdown to try and get people to follow the channel. One of the loopholes is you are allowed to go to the shops, and where are people going to be? They're going to be at the shops. So we're going to go find as many people as we can and get them to subscribe to my channel today. If you're watching this, make sure you also hit the subscribe button, the notification, and the big like button for more videos. Let's see how this one goes. Now, part one of the Get a Subscriber Challenge is we need to get some things to decorate the car with. Now, we are in lockdown, so we do need to take lockdown sensibly and don't get COVID, basically, and we don't know whether to start sharing it around and being stupid. So I need to decorate the car, and to decorate the car I need things that aren't going to ruin the car, but we'll still get people to see them. So what we're going to do is we're going to subscribe to Ollie Odyssey and basically just stick it to the back of the car. We're also going to get a big banner, so when we're in like car parks and stuff, we can stick it out the rooftop here, again saying subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. That's pretty much all we're going to do, but we're going to go to places to try and get people to see it. So that's the idea. So we're going to see how many subscribers we can get. I'm aiming, hopefully, 50 would be good, but we'll see what happens. I've only got like 390 at the moment, so we'll see how it goes. Now we're going to go to the shop and get what we need. So we have got the things we needed. We've got sparkly tape. Now we need to go home and design it all and make sure it sticks on the car. Right. We've got some markers, tape, scissors, and a canvas. Let's get to work. Right, so I've decided, see this one here, subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. I'm also going to do one on the side of the car as well, just because people see the side of the car. So we're going to finish those off before we head out and try and get some subscribers. Right, I think we're ready to go. Let's see both sides. So we're not doing the front because we can't see the front as much, but you've got 1, 2, and 3. Now the next part of the mission is we've got to go and try and get people to see it. So we're going to go to a few different shops and a few different places where we know will be people around, car parks basically, and see how many subscribers we can get by the end of today. Right, so the subscriber search is on. We've got 3 stickers stuck to the car saying subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, damn right, subscribe right now. Hey guys! Subscribe! They didn't seem too interested. I feel like I may have to do this again when it's not locked down because it's just very quiet, there's no one around. Like literally, like I've seen, what, 5 people? Right, like legitimately, this road is not really packed with cars. But it just goes to show like the lockdown, like obviously nobody's gonna be out because it's lockdown. So I think this is really ambitious. But we'll see. Hey, subscribe! He wasn't impressed, was he? He didn't look like he really cared. So at the moment, we don't seem to have had any subscribers on the channel since we've been out. We've been out for like, I don't know, 40 minutes now. So we are going to go, we've been to like the big mall and people were looking and sort of smiling, but no one was subscribing. So we'll see what happens. We're going to go down to one of the supermarkets now and just sort of park the car there for a little bit and see what happens. Ooh, what happened there? Did you drop the camera? Camera woman sacked! Right, so we've not had loads of luck. I've sort of left the car there because people can see it, so when I go into the shop. I've left Ella, my wife, in the front seat, so if she has to move the car, she has to move it. But we'll see if that collects anything. So I honestly thought this was going to have a better reception as a video. I thought this was going to be like really good, but like there's not really many people around, so I can't really be too disheartened about it. I've still got all you guys to watch and subscribe to it, so it's fine. Oh my god, look at this car. That is incredible. Who owns this? Oh, it seems to be subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. Right, so we've literally just parked up now and just sort of left it for people to have a look at. The subscribe car for Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Right, okay, so guys, what we're doing is we're going to head home now. It has been really quiet, like the whole town is really quiet, so there's been hardly anybody. But I'm going to leave the stickers on the car and just sort of like see how it gets on. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll update my story on there to say how it's doing, so obviously I'm not going to do a whole new video of this. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, which is ollie.odyssey, same as my YouTube. Follow me there and keep updated to see how the subscriber count is going. Hopefully, if this hasn't worked, hopefully the video will get some of you guys subscribing, so make sure you hit the big thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification sign for regular updates on the videos, and I will see you all next time.